Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English with Monica and Cajun.
Oh my gosh, Monica, preach. Seriously, hello just feels like a placeholder, doesn't it? It's like the default setting on your phone that you never bothered to change. It's safe, but it's so incredibly bland. And you know me, I am not bland.
Exactly. It's devoid of personality, of genuine connection. When someone says hello to me, I feel like they're just checking a box. Like, okay, I've acknowledged your presence, now what? It puts all the onus on me to bring the energy.
Totally. And it's especially bad when you're meeting someone new or trying to make a good first impression. You just blurt out, hello, and then there's this awkward pause. It's like, did we just reset the conversation before it even began? It's a momentum killer.
100%. And think about it, most of the time we're not actually saying hello in its pure form anyway. We're usually adding something to it, like, hello, how are you? Or, hello there. Why not just skip the hello and jump straight to the good stuff?
That's it. Cut the fat. So, for our listeners out there who are ready to level up their greeting game, what's your first go-to, Monica? The one that's easy to adopt, but still feels fresh.
Okay, my absolute favorite, and it's so simple, is hey, or hi there. It's informal, it's warm, and it immediately sets a more relaxed tone. It's like a gentle wave instead of a rigid handshake.
Oh, hey, it's a classic for a reason. And you can tailor it too, like, hey, how's it going? Or, hey, good to see you. It opens up the conversation right away. It's an invitation, not a wall. I use hey there all the time, especially if I'm not sure of someone's name or if it's a casual group.
Exactly. And speaking of how's it going, that's my next one. It's so much more engaging than hello, how are you? Because it implies you actually want to know. It's less formal, more conversational. It's perfect for colleagues, friends, or even someone you bump into at the coffee shop regularly.
Yeah, how's it going? Feels genuine. And you actually expect a real answer, right? Not just fine, thanks. It encourages a little more interaction. Like, how's it going? Did you survive Monday? Or how's it going? Any exciting plans for the weekend? It shows you're actually interested in the person, not just fulfilling a social obligation.
Totally. And if you're in a situation where you haven't seen someone in a while, or maybe it's been longer than expected, a simple nice to see you or good to see you is incredibly effective. It's direct, it's positive, and it immediately conveys warmth. It's not generic.
Oh, I love good to see you because it's so versatile. You can say it to someone you just saw yesterday or someone you haven't seen in months. It always lands well. And if it's someone you truly haven't seen in ages, you can amp it up to long time no see or it's been ages. That really gets people smiling.
Absolutely. It instantly makes the interaction more personal. So we've got hey or hi there, how's it going? And nice to see you or good to see you. What's your next pick for a more natural greeting, Cajun?
Okay, this one is a bit more situational, but it's fantastic. What's up or what's new? Now you got to know your audience for this one. This isn't for your grandma's bridge club. But for friends, casual colleagues, or even younger folks, it's perfect. It's direct, it's curious, and it signals you're ready to dive into actual conversation.
Oh, what's up is definitely in my rotation, especially with my closest friends. It's like skip the pleasantries, tell me the juicy details. And what's new is great because it actually prompts them to share something that's happened in their life, even if it's just, oh, nothing much, just finished a huge report. It's a genuine conversation starter.
Exactly. It's an open-ended question that encourages sharing. It's not a closed loop like hello. Another really simple but effective one, especially for those morning meetings or early interactions, is just a solid good morning or good afternoon. It's professional enough, but it's also bright and friendly and way less stiff than hello.
Oh yeah, the time of day greetings are so underrated. They're universally accepted, they convey positive intent, and they feel a little more present, like you're acknowledging the moment. Good morning sets a much better tone than just a flat hello when you walk into the office.
Totally. It's polite, but not formal to the point of being robotic. So that's 5 already. Let's get to number 6. For me, especially in networking events or when meeting someone through a mutual connection, I love, it's good to finally meet you or so great to connect. It implies anticipation and genuine interest.
Oh, I love that one, Cajun. It's good to finally meet you is fantastic because it makes the person feel seen and important. Like you've heard about them, you were looking forward to this. It's immediately disarming and warm. It totally elevates the interaction from a cold introduction.
Right? It's like I've heard great things and now here you are. It's such a natural way to break the ice. So what's next on your list, Monica? Something a little different maybe?
Okay, this one is a bit more laid back, but super common, especially in certain regions or amongst younger crowds. All right? It's super concise, almost like how's it going, but even quicker. You hear it a lot in the UK, for example. It's not really asking if you're all right in the sense of are you okay, but more like how's life?
Oh, that's a good one. You're right. It's very British, and I've adopted it myself sometimes. It's very understated cool. It implies a certain level of familiarity without being overly personal. It's like, yeah, we're cool. You're good. I'm good. And you just nod. It's efficient.
Exactly. It's a quick vibe check. Another one that I find really charming, and it's a slight variation on asking about their day, is how's your day treating you? It's a little more poetic, a little more thoughtful than just how was your day. It invites a slightly more reflective answer.
Oh, I love that, Monica. How's your day treating you is beautiful. It frames the day as an entity almost. It's got a gentle curiosity that how's your day sometimes lacks. It feels like you truly care about their experience, not just making small talk. I'm stealing that one.
Please do, and it's perfect for when you want to extend a little more empathy or connection. It shows you're not just going through the motions. So that's 8. For number 9, I think it's important to have a good option for when you want to be a bit more direct and maybe even enthusiastic, especially if you haven't seen someone in a long time or it's an unexpected encounter. Look who it is, or fancy meeting you here.
Yes, look who it is fantastic. It's got that surprise, that genuine delight, and it immediately shifts the dynamic to a positive, engaging one. It shows recognition and excitement, which hello just totally misses. And fancy meeting you here is great for those serendipitous moments, right? Like bumping into someone at the grocery store. It adds a little playful charm.
Absolutely. It's an instant energy booster for both parties. It breaks the monotony and adds a little bit of fun to the interaction. So, for our 10th and final natural greeting, I'm going to go with something that again shows genuine interest and encourages a more in-depth conversation, especially with people you know pretty well. What you been up to?
What you been up to? Oh, that's perfect for friends and close acquaintances. It's so casual, so inviting. It's like, tell me the highlights, give me the download. It implies you're ready to listen and engage. It's the antithesis of a quick transactional hello. It's like saying, I value your time and your experiences. Tell me about them.
Exactly. It immediately dives into their world. It's an open invitation to share. And that, I think, is the core of why hello needs to take a back seat. We want our greetings to be invitations, not just acknowledgments. We want to start connecting immediately, not just stating presence.
Absolutely. It's about being intentional with your words, even with something as seemingly small as a greeting. These alternatives show that you're present, you're interested, and you're ready to actually communicate. It's about building those bridges from the very first word.
Right. And it really changes the energy of the interaction. Imagine walking into a room and instead of a dozen flat hellos, you get a mix of, hey, good to see you, how's your morning treating you, what's new? The whole vibe is different, right?
Oh, it's a night and day difference. You feel more engaged, more connected, and honestly more valued. It's like the difference between a generic stock photo and a custom portrait. One just gets the job done. The other truly captures something special.
That's such a great analogy, Cajun. And it's not about being fake or overly performative. It's about finding what feels natural to you in different situations and allowing your personality to shine through, even in something as simple as how you say hello, or rather, how you don't say hello.
Exactly. So our challenge to all our listeners out there is to pick one or two of these greetings this week and try them out. See how it feels. See how people react. I bet you'll notice a huge difference in the quality of your interactions.
And don't be afraid to experiment. Some will feel more natural than others, and that's totally fine. The goal is to move beyond that default hello and infuse a little more you into your everyday greetings. It really can transform your conversations.
It absolutely can. So next time you're about to open your mouth and utter that tired old hello, take a breath and try something new. You might just surprise yourself and the person you're greeting. Thanks for joining us today, Monica. This was a blast.
You too, Cajun. And to all our listeners, we hope this gives you some great new tools for connecting with people. Go forth and greet uniquely.